Mr. Clown here from Clown Maths. Today we're going to be looking at expanding brackets, a key skill in the National 5 Maths 2022 exams. So let's get straight into it with an example. So we've got 5x, 2x add 3 plus 2, 4x minus 5. Now I always imagine this like area. I'm doing 5 times the whole bracket plus 2 times the whole bracket. So you can set this up like this. If you draw yourself a box and split it in two, you can put the 5 on the outside and the 2x add 3 on the other side. Then you've got another box for the other bracket, so you've got plus 2 times 4x minus 5. Then just times everything together, so 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So putting it all together, all the x's, 10 and 8 make 18x, and then the numbers, 15 take away 10 is 5. So in total, I've got 18x add 5. Okay, this time double bracket. So we've got x add 3, x minus 5. Now you can remember a few things. You might have remembered FOIL from one of your teachers or a rainbow method. I prefer just doing a box and thinking of it like area, timesing everything together. So if I draw a box, I've got 4 things because I've got 2 things on each side. 2 by 2 is 4. X add 3 on one side and then x minus 5 on the other side. Then just times everything together. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Minus 5 times x, minus 5x. Minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Putting it all together, you've got x squared minus 3 plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2x. And then minus 15 still on the end. Okay, another double bracket question, this time just making the numbers a bit trickier with some double negatives. Setting it up the same way, I've got 4x take away 2 on one side, and I've got 3x take away 6 on the other side. Times and everything together. 3 times 4 is 12, so I've got 12x squared. 3 times minus 2, minus 6, so I've got minus 6x. Minus 6 times 4x, minus 24x. Minus 6 times minus 2, plus 12. Minus times a minus is a plus. Putting it together, we've got 12x squared, minus 30x in total, plus 12. Okay, double brackets again, but this time it's 3 things and 2 things. So if I make a box, I'm going to need 6 places. 3 times 2 is 6. On one side, we've got 3x squared, minus 4x, add 1. On the other side, we've got 2x, minus 5. Then we can just times everything together, being careful. 2 times 3 is 6, so I've got 6x cubed. 2 times 4 is 8, so I've got minus 8x squared. 2 times 1 is 2, of course, so plus 2x. Minus 5 times 3, minus 15x squared. Minus 5 times minus 4, watch out, plus 20x. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. And then we can just put it all together. But notice a little pattern here. If I just highlight this, we have got pairs here that go together. The next 2 go together. So you can simplify these 2 and then these 2. So in total, we get an answer of 6x cubed minus 23x squared, add 22x, and then take away 5. Okay, a past paper question 2019. This comes from paper 1 question 3. Quite often these questions will either come at the start of the paper, nice and easy to get you going, or maybe towards the end of the paper when you've had to write an expression yourself. But let's just deal with the simple cases. So we've got x add 5, 2x squared minus 7x take away 3. Hopefully you get an idea now. I draw my grid. On one side goes the first bracket, so I'll put x add 5 down the side, and the other side goes the other bracket. 2x squared minus 7x minus 3, times it all together. I've got x times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times minus 7x minus 7x squared. X times minus 3 minus 3x. 5 times 2 is 10, so 10x squared. Put a plus in. 5 times 7 is 35, so minus 35x. 5 times 3 is 15, so minus 15. Putting it all together in the same way, we will have an answer of, are we ready? 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 38x minus 15. 2017 paper 1 question 4. Very, very similar, so we'll do it the same way. Set my grid up. 2x add 3 on one side. X squared minus 4x add 1 on the other side. Times it all together. 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x. And then the bottom, 3x squared minus 12x plus 3. Putting it all together, so our x squared terms becomes minus 5x squared, and our x term becomes minus 10x. So our final answer is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 10x and 3. This has been quite a maths today. We've been briefly going over expanding brackets for National 5 Maths Exams 2022. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a like and a little thumbs up. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.